Alright, this is my new track saw. It's 2.4 meters. I use it with the standard Makita circular saw. With the joint in the middle, there's quite a rise here. Cut around about 35 mil underneath there. So as you can see, it's bolted in the middle. On the flip side of those, I've epoxied the nuts in. Right, so I'm just going to split this apart and show some cuts. A clearance of 50, 52, 53 mil, something like that. So I've used this to cut the bottom of doors off, and it's pretty effective and very accurate. So now what I'm going to do is show you how I set up and cut. The first thing I've done is mark my pencil lines, one here at 300 mil from the end, and at the other end mark 300 mil. Now just clamp this in position with a couple of bulldog clips. So for safety, I like to set the saw blade to the minimum amount of exposed saw blade. I've still got the riving knife on there. So if we look over the top there, there's around about 18 to 20 mil. Just that is a pretty great cut. So to say, I'm very pleased with this method of cutting. The edge here is superbly straight. So looking down there, you can see there's a beautiful straight cut on there. I suppose the question is, why don't you just go out and buy a track saw? Well, actually I'm a big fan of the original track saw, which is the Festool one. At the same time, I've got two circular saws already. Do I want another one for 300 and 400 quid? Not really, no. I think for maybe about 1 hour, 2 hours of work, and the outlay of materials, which is probably about 30 quid, you can develop something that's actually pretty useful. If you're not too fussy, it's very convenient. You can do this for a layout of about 180 quid, including buying the saw. So I suppose it's down to what we can say, skills pay bills. Alright, have a nice day. Bye bye.